You are going to love the 2023 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated rear seats, heads-up display, heated steering wheel, automatic climate control, cargo net, carpeted floor mats, lumbar support, 4-piece floor mat set, cargo tray. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.